Hello and welcome. As you may see, I have a flicking screen problem. And this video will show you how to fix this problem. So when you're experiencing a flicking screen, the first thing you should check is the cable connection. So make sure that you well press the cables. In my case, I have HDMI connection. So take them off, see if there's anything, and reconnect it. This usually might fix the problem. However, it's not always the case. As you may see, the problem has been fixed. So take off the cable, put it on, and it should be fine. If this is not the case, what I recommend, maybe you should replace your HDMI cable. So put a new cable and try again. Hopefully this will be fixed. I hope you like my video. Let me know if that has fixed your flicking screen problem. Thank you. Bye bye.